Speech has two types. First one is direct speech and second one is indirect speech. To know the direct speech, we can guess that when we quote actual words of a speaker. See, when we quote actual words of a speaker, that is written in direct speech, and to write direct speech we use inverted comma. See here, Rama said, I am very busy now. See, it is written in inverted comma. See here, I am very busy now, and this is written in inverted comma. So direct speech is always written within the inverted comma. See the second part, indirect speech. What we write in the indirect speech, whatever we quote in the direct speech, whatever we quote in the direct speech is written in the indirect speech, and in indirect speech we report the quote of a speaker. What the speaker has quoted, that is reported in the indirect speech. See with the help of example. Here in the direct speech we have Rama said, I am very busy now, and in indirect speech it is converted, Rama said that he was very busy then. Clear? In this way we convert direct speech to indirect speech. Now see what we have noticed during the conversion from direct speech to indirect speech. First we have noticed that in place of comma and inverted comma we use that as connector. First point, we have noticed that use of that as connector after removing comma and inverted comma. Second, we have noticed change of pronoun. In the direct speech it was I, and in the indirect speech it is he. So this is the change of pronoun. Third change is change of tense. See here, in the direct speech it was am, and in indirect speech it becomes was. Then change of adverbs or time or distance. So what adverbs has been changed? Here in the direct speech we have now. I am very busy now. So noun is the adverb, and this adverb is changed into here then. Rama said that he was very busy then. So now is changed into then. One more thing, when we change the tense, when the reporting verb is past tense. See, reporting verb, this is the reporting verb. Said. Said is the reporting verb. So when the reporting verb is in the past tense, then we change tense. If the reporting verb is in present tense or is in future tense, then we cannot change tense. We can change other things out of this four. We can use that as a connector, we can change pronoun, we can change adverb or time or distance, but we cannot change tense if the reporting verb is present tense or future tense. See some basic rules of changing from direct speech to indirect speech, and these changes will be done only when the reporting verb is in the past tense. So see, simple present will change into simple past. Let's clear with example. He said, I am unwell. It will becomes, he said that he was unwell. So what is the changes? Here it was am unwell, it's changed into was unwell. So simple present is changed into simple past. Second is present continuous changed into past continuous. Example, he said, my master is writing letters. Indirect speech. He said that his master was writing letters. See, present continuous is writing. It shows that it is in present continuous, and when we change it, it becomes was writing in the indirect speech. Third one is present perfect change into past perfect. Example, he said, I have passed the examination. It will becomes, he said that he had passed the examination. See, have passed is changed into had passed. Next, simple past will change into past perfect. Example, he said, the horse died in the night. Indirect speech, he said that the horse had died in the night. See, here only died is there, so it is simple past, and its indirect speech has become had died. So that's all for the day, students. I request you again to go through your chapter from your book and do the exercises and ask me if you are facing any problem. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.